When state patrol officers pull over a car for not having its lights on, they find a drunk teenager at the wheel.
Gio, I'm going to ask you to take a breath test.
The 17-year-old girl is intoxicated and taken into custody. Her hands are cuffed behind her back in what seems like a routine arrest. Then she's put into the back seat of the patrol car.
I'm a peace officer. You are under the arrest and offense of operating a vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating liquor. You understand what I read to you?
No.
Which part didn't you understand?
Can you repeat it all, please?
While the girl's passenger is being questioned, the officers don't notice her climbing into the front seat of the patrol car. Somehow, she gets her handcuffed hands in front of her and onto the wheel of the patrol car. With the lights still flashing, she drives off in the arresting officer's vehicle. Her emotions running wildly out of control, she speeds through the town's peaceful residential streets. The chase is on. The cops pull in front of the hysterical girl at an intersection. That doesn't stop her. In a daring effort to keep her from getting on the interstate, the police sideswipe her vehicle to try and push it off the road. It doesn't work. With the cops in hot pursuit, she speeds onto the highway. The girl barrels down the road at more than 100 miles an hour, with the police close on her tail. Remember, she's still handcuffed. Determined to stop her before the chase ends in tragedy, the police surround the hijacked patrol car and box it in against the guardrail. Suddenly, the girl tries to ram her way out. The officers shoot at her tires in an attempt to disable her vehicle. But then, the panicked and inebriated young woman makes another irrational move. Still using the patrol car as a battering ram, the teenager finally breaks free. Though badly damaged, her car starts weaving dangerously down the highway. Taking no chances this time, a battery of police cars meet her head-on and stop her cold. The high-speed chase ends without injury. The teenager is arrested on charges that include drunk driving and resisting arrest. Her joyriding days are over.